Welcome back to another show and tell video. Today we're looking at a drop-in accessory from BLACKHAWK SPORTSTER. And this is the rail mount vertical grip. And this is actually something that was obtained several years ago. So BLACKHAWK may have slightly changed their name of the company as well as their product line. So feel free to research current product offerings from BLACKHAWK as well as their interesting company history and origins. Very interesting. So if we go ahead and take a look here, we can see some markings there, made in the USA and the flag. Also some additional markings at the top. Kind of interesting there. BLACKHAWK SPORTSTER rail mount vertical grip. You see here on the back, similar design logo and kind of a setup usage here. And you can see the different components inside. A little bit of description here. So discussing that it's a high performance fiberglass reinforced polymer, redundant clamp screws, reliable mounting, adjustable fit to compensate for out-of-spec rails, grips O-ring sealed storage compartment, 2 different caps, allow for custom length, and kind of redundant bullet points there, instructions, safety warning, and torque information. And here we have contact info and barcode. So again, feel free to research current product offerings from BLACKHAWK. Let's go ahead and open this. Stuff just pops out. The blister pack, set this aside. And you can see here, hex and blade screw. And kind of the hex bolts on the opposite side, cross bolts, and kind of this, it's kind of over tightened at the moment, rail surface. BLACKHAWK logo, kind of semi-textured grip with these grooves here. Nothing on this side, just pure groove. You can notice it's also slightly flattened here too. So depending on how you want to set this up, in which direction, which you prefer in your palm, the rounder surface or with the flat surface under your fingertips, or vice versa, if that's more comfortable to you. Storage compartment, you can see the threading there, and the different caps, each with their O-rings. See if you can get that to focus there. So if we go ahead and size up one of these, you can see the difference in size. You can either have it like this, which sort of fits within your hand. For me, my pinky would have to go underneath. And with the other extension cap, you can see is much more comfortable for my hand size. And even as a standalone, this has interesting applications, if you know what I mean. I'm not going to try to attach on the rail, but you can see sort of how it would configure. And again, they say this is adjustable to compensate for out-of-spec rails. So, taking a quick look at the rail mount vertical grip from BLACKHAWK, and in this case, BLACKHAWK SPORTSTER. And again, this was from several years ago. This product came out. So feel free to research current product offerings and contact info for BLACKHAWK. This has been another show and tell video. Feel free to check out other show and tell videos on the channel. We also do unboxing videos and a selection of book review media reviews. Feel free to check all those out. Feel free to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you next time.